Hello, ex-Motocars family. There's some exciting news regarding the next generation Ford Kuga set to debut in 2024's model year. Ford recently revealed new information regarding the design, as well as the technology and powertrain changes coming to the well-known compact SUV. Hit that like button, buckle up, and let's take a look at what we can anticipate from the Ford Kuga 2024. Design updates. The Kuga 2024 has gotten a fresh, new modern look on the exterior. The new model has a striking front grille, with Ford's distinctive blue oval logo proudly displayed. The grille's counterpart is a modern, full broad LED light bar, which is sure to stand out. The style is the same, however modern styling lines make it appear the appearance of a solid stance. The new wheels are available in styles throughout all of the titanium, ST line, and active trim levels. Each model has its distinctive individuality. Hybrid powertrains. The biggest news for the new Ford Kuga 2024 is what's going on under the hood. Let's talk more about the updated hybrid options. There will be a traditional hybrid model with an estimated 64% electric driving capability around town and over a 900-kilometer range. But there's also now a plug-in hybrid model with roughly 70 kilometers of all-electric range from its larger battery before the gas engine kicks in. Technology upgrades. Inside the cabin keeps up with the times too. The new Kuga is equipped standard with Ford's latest Sync 4 infotainment. That means you get a large touchscreen with wireless connectivity, 5G capability, cloud-based navigation, hands-free voice control using Alexa, and easy Apple CarPlay or Android Auto integration. You'll stay connected and entertained on every ride. The Ford Kuga 2024 looks like a great update all around. With the variety of hybrid options, cool new styling, and loaded with the latest tech, it should be very competitive in the compact crossover segment. As we wrap up this sneak peek into the future with the Ford Kuga 2024, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay tuned for more thrilling updates in the automotive world. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a design lover, or just a fan of the open road, this is a journey you won't want to miss. Drop your comments below, share your thoughts on Kuga's transformation, and join our community of automotive. More details will come soon, but for now, what do you think about the upcoming Kuga redesign? Let me know your thoughts in the comments.